from ancient Madurai. Hope you are following me for some time now. I started this ancient Madurai to showcase my antique pieces and all the collections I bought from the local shops. If you have been following me, you would have seen that I talk about Pudumandabam often. So Pudumandabam is a treasure for antique pieces and antique addicts like us. And I have bought a lot of brass statues from there. Today I wanted to show you a virtual tour of all the brass statues I bought it from there. So let's go virtual shopping now. The first one what we are going to see is this Kamadhenu. It's very auspicious to have Kamadhenu at home. You can see there is a cow and a calf, and there are many gods engraved in the Kamadhenu. This is very heavy weight, and actually I was not very interested in buying that, but the shopkeeper, she wanted me to have this. You can see even the bowl of milk here. It's so good to it is very beautiful statue. So the next one is this Buddha. So this Buddha is a plain Buddha that is available everywhere, but it has a special red tinge that was looked different to me, and this was one of my first buys from Pudumandapam. It still retains the red shade even after 4 years now. So you can see that it is very serene and very good to see also. The next one is more close to my heart. This is a green Tara, and it's very antique one. I don't know how many years old is this. The shopkeeper had it in his inside cabinet and showed when I asked him I need an antique green Tara. This is done with enamels. This enamel was done recently, but you can see how antique it is. It's fully tarnished and everything. Even with so much of cleaning, these tarnishing are not going. This green Tara is so serene and beautiful, and she lights up my day room every day. The next one is this beautiful she is a dancing lady. Actually she was it was inside, it was very black and tarnished in color. I just washed it off, and such a beautiful brass statue it was. And you can see that she is playing some very ancient instrument here, and you can see the expressions in her face. It's so beautiful, and she's enjoying her dance. So beautiful to see such a statue. The next ones are these small elephants. Though these are very small, they cost a bomb because it's very heavy in nature, and you can see the engravings with this black finish. Usually, with black finish, they cost more because of the special engravings they put it in here. These are very cute ones which I use for decor. So this is a cute little Saraswati. I bought her because even though she's very small, you can see how clear her face is, and you can also see her hair plaits so done so beautifully. So we don't use her for worship, but we use it for as a decor item. This is yet another very small piece, but though the features are not very clear, I just bought it because I loved the smallness of this piece, because huge pieces were very expensive and I wanted a Nadrajar in my collection, so I bought this one. This is an dancing Ganesh. I think most of you must be having this dancing Ganesh. This is also a little bit of brass and other metals together, and he is also very in online. When you get you don't get such clear pieces. So in these type of shops, the engravings and everything is very clear and unique. And there is one other green Tara. So when I got this statue, it was fully tarnished. I didn't even know that it was green Tara. Now I'm so happy that I have a sitting green Tara and a standing green Tara. So you can see how clear her face is and how beautiful she is. So the next one is the most exciting one. You must have seen her lot of times in my feed, the dancing lady. And also now I have a contest running in ancient Madurai. Please participate in the contest. It is available till May 15th. You will win a chance to get this brass lady. She is a very favorite of mine. You can see how her legs are being sculpted so beautifully. Her hands are so beautifully done, and so this is a very beautiful piece and I love so much. This is one thing that came with the same collection. Here also you can see the engravings and how her she looks very elegant and very beautiful. Her hands, even her hands have Meghandi in them. Such a intricate work it has. And even you can participate in the contest to win this lady also. So please do participate in the contest. This is another lady in the same series. This looks like Meenakshi Amman, but she's not Meenakshi Amman. She's another lady with a hairdo of Meenakshi Amman and the same posture. Like you can see her hand like this, like how Meenakshi Amman is. So it's like in the same form, but she's not Meenakshi Amman, and I love her for that. This is a lady with the mirror. You would have seen her also in my feed. She also looks so elegant dressing up, and she reminds me of the self care that every woman should do for herself. And this is a Pavai statue. Most of you must be having this. I bought this because this is in the same height of the other statues, and she has the same face even of the other statues that I own. So we come to the end of the brass statues. This is one, two hanging lamps I have, Sanghu Chakra hanging lamps. They adorn my, they hang in my guest bedroom. You can see this also has so much of intricate work in them, and the black finishing gives them a unique look and a traditional and antique look also. So these are the end of the brass statues, and I have one other thing to show you. These are the paintings that I got in Pudumandapam. These are done in vegetable dyes. These are naturally vegetable dye paintings, and they are done in handmade paper. So a lady there does so many paintings of this. This cost very cheap, but I framed it and it gave a good appearance to the painting. You can see the use of very bright colors, oranges, greens, yellows, violets. It's very attractive and beautiful. I have just one other painting in this. This is a lady, and this lady also is painted in attractive colors. I love these paintings. I just have two of them, planning to get more of them for my gallery wall. I hope you enjoyed the tour of my I hope you enjoyed the tour of my brass statues that I bought in Pudumandapam. Hoping to go through a live shopping with you in the next few weeks once the lockdown is lifted. Bye, take care.